Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit, and today we are back with another video to help you decide and apply for Canada's student visa. So today's topic is the student visa requirement for Canada process. So now, in order to know what all documents are required and what is the process, we will break this into two parts. First part is when you are applying to a college, what all documents which are required when you are making the application the first time. So before you make the application, you want to make sure that you are eligible for the course. So in order to apply, you can discuss with us what all the eligibility criteria is. And to in order to determine that, we would require few of the documents, and same documents will be forwarded to the university or college you'll be applying to. So those documents are your 10th, your 12th, your graduation, all the mark sheets, individual mark sheets, and your degree. Now, going ahead, there will be a provisional certificate. If you don't have the degree, you can also present a provisional certificate, which you have got from the university or the college you have studied from. Your IELTS score, make sure it's 6.5, nowhere less than 6 for a PG program, and a 6 overall, 6 with no band less than 6 for a UG program for a smooth admission and visa process. Now we also need a passport which should be valid for at least 6 months from the starting date of your course, and your the next requirement would be to check the eligibility and make the application. Most of the colleges in Canada has an application fees attached to it, so you need to make sure that you have that amount ready. Roughly, it's between 75 to $150. Now, going forward, once you submit these documents as per the eligibility criteria, you are offered with an offer letter. So this offer letter has all the conditions which you need to meet. If there are no condition, you get an unconditional offer letter. Once you have the unconditional offer letter, it also has a date by which you need to pay a minimum deposit, without which your seat will not be confirmed. So, in order to confirm the seat with that particular college, you have to make sure that you have paid that amount, and the rest you can take a little longer to pay. So, in order to file your visa under the SDS category, you would require to pay 1 year full fee plus the GIC. So now the documents which we have submitted to the college, which is your educational documents, your CV, passport, and educational documents, you got the offer letter. Now the next step is your fee receipt, your GIC letter, and then your all your if you're a working professional, you have worked, then we would require all your work experience documents to be attached with the application. So this is how the whole application process is taken care of. So these documents also depends from individual to individual. Make sure that you have all the documents combined in a nice organized manner, so that immigration do not have to juggle between the paper work. They can get the complete idea what your background has been. So we define it with the SOP. So that is one of the crucial document which you need to include in your file, so that we make sure that immigration understands what your course you have applied for, what are the future plans you have got, and what is the reason why you have chosen this particular course. So all these things combine and get you the visa. So if you are planning to go for Canada, so these are the requirement which you have to take care of. We'll also make some detailed video on these particular topics which you can watch on our channel. The channel name is VAC Global Education, and you can subscribe to us. And if you have liked this video, then do like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends so that they can also get the information. Thank you.